guys, let's start here. Welcome back to my channel. Before we get started, click that subscribe button, ring that bell, ding ding, and give me a big thumbs up. Today I'm going to with my sister, and we're going to be doing a slime challenge. So we have all this stuff down here, and we have these two, and we're going to be blindfolded, and we're going to grab any one. So let me just try to put you guys somewhere where you guys can see. Let's see. I can put that right there. You guys right here. So I'm gonna scoot it over so you guys can see. I'm doing it for you guys. So I have my beautiful purple slime, and I split it up in half. So my sister has some and I have some, and I'm gonna be putting some strange stuff in my beautiful slime. I'm doing it for you guys.
Let me have it, right?
No. We're gonna mix it up together. So you have that stuff down there. You have that. Have some magnets if you grab it when you're blindfolded. You have lotion and soap.
Soapy slime.
Can you guys see my stuff? Yes. So my sister's gonna sit right here. I'm gonna try putting it up where you can see it. This lotion and soap. Okay, first of all, you guys see the diamonds, right? I don't think you guys have the diamonds, but we're gonna have to show you guys what we grab. So, we're gonna blindfold ourselves, and we'll see you guys in a. So you guys can see, my sister's already blindfolded, so it's just me that needs to get blindfolded. So we'll see. Okay, so she can put it up for now. No, we're gonna leave it down for you guys. Okay, so we're gonna get started. Start grabbing some stuff. I'm gonna grab something from over here. Okay, let me just pull it all over here. Okay.
You got a lot.
You're not supposed to look. You're supposed to stay blindfolded. That's part of the game. Okay, grab some stuff. I'm going to put that in my slime, whatever that is. I got this. It feels like a marker. I see. I got this. What is this? Whatever that is. I like this color. So what else is here? It looks like my sister's grabbing stuff. She's closing her eyes and she's putting it in her slime. So let's see. What's over here and some over here.
2, 3. 1, 2, and 3. There.
You have to keep it blindfold. You have to keep blindfold.
Oh.
I know it's hard. It's a hard challenge.
Why do I keep it?
You guys are starting the challenge again? Yeah. Okay, let's get started. Ready? So, I have this, whatever this is. Oh, did I draw it on the table? Okay, I didn't. I thought I drawed it on the table. Okay, so we can't look. You have to be blindfolded. That's part of the game. Tell me if she's not blindfolded in the comments. If she's not.
Wait, but I need some more.
Let me put this. It feels like soap. See, whatever this is, it can't come out. Is it coming out? Wait, you guys, I'm gonna have to try putting this open. I'll see you guys in a minute. Okay, you guys, so I'm right here. I figured out how to open the soap. It was locked. So we got the orange thing in there. And we're gonna start mixing those slimes. And let's see. This is how my slime turned out. I'm gonna add some brown. Yeah. So this is how my slime's turning out. I don't know about her. She had no lotion and she has no soap. She has black though. And a little bit of diamonds. No, nothing's coming out. Nothing's showing. The purple's strong, too strong. Even the diamonds are hidden in there. Hardly see them. I'm gonna mix my sister's slime for now. You cannot see hers either. I'm gonna add a little bit of more lotion. Okay, I'm mixing.
Hi.
So I'm gonna keep mixing it. Okay. I mixed it a lot. Now it's sticky and it's a lot stretchy. Tell me in the comments if you guys like this slime. Well, I hope you guys like this video. Give me a thumbs up if you like it. See you guys.